I go sha twabayeho neza. You guys were the last generation ya having the fun. Kuko abana bubu ngo this
ntabwo babizi.
Ntabwo bazi ibyo bintu.
Ntabwo babizi kabisa.
Ntabyo bazi pe.
So abantu badukumbuje ino mikino kabisa.
I know. Why?
No ma. Umvaze.
Tell me.
Mbere yuko tubwira kuri iyo story. Wabonye yuko Kate Bashabe yitabaje RIB.
Ntabwo ari we. Ntabwo ari we.
Niwe?
Ntabwo ari we.
Kuri Instagram ye?
Instagram.
Yes, jya kuri story yiwe.
Nari ngize ngo nibyo byo kuri
yitabaje. Yes, nibyo ngibyo nubundi.
Ntabwo ari we.
Ntabwo ari we wabyanditse. Ni umuntu witiriye Kate Bashabe.
Ahora bivuga ko nta ex agira
kandi koko nayagira ko nanjye na checkinze nambura account ye y'ukuri
nayagira nikatubeshye.
Yasabye RIB yuko yakurikirana uriya muntu n'abandi bantu bagenda bamwitirira ariko noneho bagakora ibintu bibi bitwaje amazina ye
rwose babikurikiranye kuko ibi bintu bimaze kuba byinshi rero
ntabwo ari byiza.
Umuntu agafata account nibyo bya Mutesi Jolly yavugaga ati that is not my account. Ati mushatse mwabireba neza abwira cyagiye bebe
cool
hagati you was scammed by somebody else. None
Utari Jolly
abantu benshi bakunda kumwiyitirira.
Uzi bari abantu amafaranga bakorera
barayikorera menshi
bitwaje amazina y'abantu.
They scam people.
Ejo bundi nabo bazakwitirira.
Oh yeah mama.
Wallahi nutaba careful.
Oh yeah, let me tell you, I'm not on X, I'm not on Instagram. Ubwo nibaza
ntabwo uri kuri IG.
Hapana, that is not me, that is AI.
Uri ntabwo ari wonjya nohereza tu reels.
That is AI. Tukiri aho ngaho nyuma ya Ebola muri US muri Michigan reportinze another yitwa ngo cyclosporiosis.
What is that?
Outbreak. Nayo ni disease, ni virus yaje ariko yo ifata nka diarrhea. Yes. Kutangaye.
Ntabwo nayizi yuko abazungu bajye bahura n'ibintu nk'ibyo.
Barahura nabyo kuko ahubwo actually nibo bagira umwanda kuturusha.
Banywa amazi mabi ntibakora amasuku niki
simbizi kuko so far 11,234 cases have been reported in the states.
N'abantu benshi.
Yes. Ejo bundi just kandi only 193 at least are hospitalized.
Barwaye diarrhea.
So they are trying to see your virus here turutse and already 2 people have died.
Yeah. Poleni sana.
I think si Ebola gusana n'ibindi biraza. Kuko let me tell you, nitutigirira amasuku tukarya. I'm sure these guys
biraza kugorana cyane.
They say. Nibo barimo no kurya ibintu biri plastic.
Bararya ibyo babonye byose.
Ibyo babonye byose.
Wasake nidufashe rero iduha amazi abantu bikanombe kubera ko natwe anytime. Twarwara diarrhea. N'uzi kwezi nikuzuye.
Wait, kucyagiye ntago mwari mwayabonye?
Twabonye amasaha nk'abiri gusa itagenda. Ibaze cyagiye.
Kandi wabonye ko hari umudepite wabibajije.
Evode yarabivuze ejo bundi.
Ati kubera iki abantu bamara amezi
mu mujyi nk'uyu nguyu uri smart igihugu nk'iki
2 months 1 month gube iki basi musakanye niba byanumye mufate 2 weeks.
Nukuri at least byadufasha. Wasake please mutubabarire abantu dutuye mu mudugudu w'amahoro hariya muduha amazi tutarwara diarrhea.
You know those people who be joyful for every time you see them and even you be like do these people even pay bills because they might be rich, but don't worry, it is all about Airtel. Kuko, giving money to Airtel, it is zero. Code ni zero. Hitamo ibirenze na Airtel.
Turibuza kugwa amafaranga menshi byatari mwisa ikurikiraho ya Capital Drive.
Yoherwa na snacks za Didos ku mafaranga 200 gusa. Snacks